Right, welcome again to chapter 5, goals, content, and sequences. So here we have, you know, environment needs principles. We talked about this array before, and each one, like manners, teacher, situation, next one's necessities. The content itself also should be the goals of the lesson can focus on one or more of the following languages, ideas, skills. طبعا text عبارة عن discourse. We have to also make sensible, well-justified decisions about content. Is one of the most important parts of curriculum design. But the unit of progression in the course. طبعا لازم يكون في unit of progression يعني استمرارية أثناء المنهج that uses to grade the progress of the course. The unit of progression can be classified into two parts, for example, here. So here, such as vocabulary level. Should be like covered in any order. And also we have here regression for a range of starting points. The order of the items within the field is determined by pedagogical concentrations and constraints such as during the learner interest. فدايما بنلاحظ انه ترتيب المنهج ترتيب المنهج بشكل متكامل progressions. So here we have to say that there seems to exist an enormous gap between the structure underlying course than that one that individual and subject could create for themselves. So what will the progression use for? Unit of progression can be set target paths to those target units. Progression can be check adequacy and also can be monitoring and report. طبعا units of progression هذا اللي عندنا المهم كتير إنه مثلا لازم يكون عندنا في vocabulary لازم يكون في frequency levels لازم يكون يعني it should be like from the beginning elementary to advanced grammar to be also frequency acquisition complexity language use to be function يعني مثلا في لغة مثلا إحنا نختارها وظيفتها للأمر وظيفة تانية مثلا للإشارة. So we have a different functions for the language itself. We have ideas, topics, themes. We have discourse, genre. إذا أنا سأقول لكم genre, it means that we have a different discourse. So we can say discourse include different genres. It's true. And also we have to say components, skills, strategies, and outcome in real life situations. So each one like explained here, like vocabulary, we have to be like a sequencing of the vocabulary, and of course can be loosely based on the frequency level of. So we have to have this level in this regard. A grammar also should be also frequencies, should be teached like differently. For example, imperative الأمر مثلا don't, imperative don't go, don't stand up. Simple sentences, simple present, simple past narrative, and then passive or simple passive it's used for passive past is used for narrative. While, for example, don't مثلا is used for imperative. And simple sentences for actual. So these important, very, very important to know. We have also here different issues of function. For example, in pattern seeking factual information. Could you please tell me where can I go to library? So here, could you please tell me how can I go to library? How can I go to, for example, a store? So here gives you more about, seeking and تبحث عن المعلومات, expressing, finding out intellectual attitudes, finding out emotions, expressing out and finding out moral, getting things done, for example, socializing. So let's see here the word. This is the meaning of this word. Swaging. Swaging, he means that we are going to persuade. So we're going to use it in persuading. يعني للإقناع. يعني I just want to convince someone. So do you think, okay, climbing mountains is dangerous? I think it's will be dangerous because you would be exposed to many obstacles while you are climbing. So it's like, but you started to convince the people, okay, to that الشخص إنه صعود الجبال خطر. هون عندنا discourse and we have different discourse. For example, here we have where learners systematic cover a range of relevant genres. For example, here, and it's very, very important. For example, recounting, reporting, arguments. So all of these are, يعني مثلا ممكن يكون عندنا جدل. يعني ellipsis between speaker and negotiation may offer occur in early in language courses, but it's really the unit of preparation of the course. So we have here different discourse analysis, and قلت لكم ممكن يكون للجدل، ممكن يكون للإقناع، ممكن يكون لا different issues. Text types أنواع التكست and كتير very important. Intimated, interpersonal. يعني مثلا you're going to talk to your friends. For example, interaction, face-to-face informational interaction. You're going to talk to your مثلا also the same face-to-face conversation. Scientific, زي ما قلت لكم علمية، يكون learned expositions، خاصة مثلا بالمجلات. It can be like multiple choice أجزاء عليها. Certificate passes also. Involved persuasion or spontaneous free speeches. All of these like الخطابات, الانترفيو, الليترز هي نعتبرها كلها persuasion إقناع. طبعا كل خطابات السياسة تبعت مثلا استخدموهم الآن. For example, نتنياهو بحاول أن يقنع العالم for the genocide in Gaza. So we have to be aware of this persuasion even if we are going to analyzing. Ideas also here should be a good language course, not only developing learners' control of the language, but also puts the learner into contact with the ideas. هاي كتير مهمة, can be like true or false. So we move in to, inshallah, next time to the task-based syllabus. It's very important to know the difference, the focusing on task. And also we're going to talk about the sequences of the content and linear approaches, عبارة عن serial curriculum. All of this is very, very important to know in order just to be using curriculum design very well. Thank you so much. Inshallah, see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.